Hello students, this is chpspa here. Today we will discuss about the last minute revision for chemistry. So important topics to be covered within 12 days. So students, आप सबको पता है कि हमारा बोर्ड एग्जाम नज़दीक आ रहा है, महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड विच इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 21st ऑफ फरवरी. सो कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स हमें छूना है और कौन से टॉपिक्स हमें स्किप करना है उसके बारे में हम लोग डिस्कशन करते हैं. बेसिकली बच्चों को ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री से थोड़ा डर लगता है कि ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में हमें क्या क्या चीज़ें करनी है, क्या चीज़ें स्किप करनी है. तो हम लोग थोड़ा डिस्कशन करते हैं दो चैप्टर्स के बारे में. ओके, सो इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स टू बी कवर्ड विद इन 12 डेज. फर्स्ट इज हाइड्रोजन डेरिवेटिव, जो कि 5 to 6 मार्क्स का है पेपर के अंदर. तो क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें कवर करनी है इसमें. IUPAC nomenclature for alkyl halides. Next, classification of alkyl halide, that is from 1 degree alkyl halide, 2 degree alkyl halide, 3 degree alkyl halide, then benzylic halide, allylic halide, vinylic halide. Okay, allylic halides having hybridization sp3, then benzylic having sp2 and vinylic is also having sp2 hybridization. वो थोड़ा आपको कवर करना है. Next, preparation of alkyl halide from alkene, that is applying Marconic and anti-Marconic of rule. आप सबको पता होगा Marconic rule क्या होता है and anti-Marconic क्या होता है, which is applicable for unsymmetrical alkene. And anti-Marconic rule is seen from by HBr only and not by any other halides, hydrogen halides. Next, by using PCl3, PCl5 and SOCl2, phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride and thionylic chloride. Next, Finkelstein reaction for preparation of alkyl iodide, Swartz reaction, alkyl fluoride. Next, Samuel's reaction, conversion of amine group into halide. Next is very important chemical properties of alkyl halide. First is dehydrohalogenation reaction, very important. Removal of hydrogen as well as halogen by using alcoholic KOH or alcoholic NaOH. That's we apply Setzeff rule to find out the major product. Second is Wurtz reaction in presence of dry ether and sodium. In this Wurtz reaction we get higher alkanes and usually product form with even number of carbon and not odd number of carbon atom. Next is Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Wurtz-Fittig reaction is basically reaction between saturated compound and a benzene ring, cyclic compound. Next is Fittig reaction. In this reaction again both we use ring form and we get biphenyl compound. Okay. Next, action of magnesium on alkyl halide. We get RMgX, that is Grignard reagent. Formula for Grignard reagent is RMgX, that is alkyl magnesium halide. Action of the following on alkyl halide, that is how we will prepare alcohol by using alkyl halide. Then we have to use NaOH or KOH, aqueous NaOH and aqueous KOH. Then how will you prepare ester by using alkyl halide? Then what reagent you have to use? Which reagent you have to use? Silver salt, silver acetate also you can say. Then convert. How will you prepare amine by using alkyl halide? Then which reagent you have to use? Ammonia. Then for to prepare cyanide, KCN. To prepare isocyanide, AgCN. Isocyanide is NC. Then preparation of nitroalkane. Nitroalkane we can use nitro potassium nitride and silver nitride. So in this we get nitroso and in this we get nitrite. Next, very important topics, optical asterism in HDA. In this you should know what are enantiomers, what are diastereomers, what are superimposable mirror images of each other, non-superimposable mirror images, then monochromatic light, then what is chiral carbon atom, which is attached to 4 different groups and atoms, correct? Then you should know what is racemic mixture. Mixture of D form and L form is called racemic mixture, and racemic mixtures always are optically inactive. They are not optically active. Okay. Next, SN1 and SN2 reaction, substitution nucleophilic unimolecular, substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reaction with mechanism. In this reaction we use tertiary butyl alcohol, and in this reaction we use primary alcohol, that is methyl bromide. Here we use tertiary butyl bromide with NaOH. Here we use methyl bromide. It is a two-step reaction, it is a one-step reaction. SN1 is a two-step, SN2 is one-step reaction. Next, conversion reactions are very important in this chapter, like how will you convert propene into propanol. So which reagent we have to use for alcohol? NaOH or KOH, aqueous form. How will you convert 2-chloropropane into 2-propanol? 2-chloropropane into 2-propanol. Again, we have to prepare alcohol. Same reagent we have to use. How will you convert this one, alkali into ester? Then again we have to use this reagent, that is silver salt of acid. How will you prepare benzyl cyanide? By using benzyl alcohol. So first you have to convert benzyl alcohol into halide form. Then we have to add KCN, potassium cyanide. So these reagents which I have mentioned here, it will help you out to convert the reactions. Means to convert methane to ethane, ethane to propane, propane to propanol. Okay. Next, dehydrohalogenation reaction also is very important. Like if you want to convert this reaction, 2-chloropropane into propene, 2-chloropropane into propene, then what we have to use? Dehydrohalogenation reaction we have to use. Okay. Arrow पे क्या आएगा? Alcoholic, KOH or NaOH. So these are some important points that you should remember while preparing halogen derivatives of alkanes. And very important student, जो पीछे के textbook के questions हैं, especially give reasons. Give reasons are very important. It will help you out to find out the application. तो चैप्टर क्या बोल रहा है, किसके बारे में बोल रहा है, तो गिव रीजन अगर आप पढ़ते हो तो आपको चैप्टर का मतलब समझ में आता है कि चैप्टर हमें एक्चुअली में क्या बता रहा है ऑर्गेनिक के बारे में. कौन सी चीजें सॉल्युबल है, कौन सी इनसॉल्युबल है, व्हाई इट इज मोर एसिडिक, व्हाई इट इज लेस एसिडिक, व्हाई इट इज मोर बेसिक. ओके, व्हाई ethers, why the reactions of Grignard region is taking place in dry ether. Okay, these are some important aspects, some important give reasons which are present in your textbook that you should do it properly for the examination. Okay, next chapter, alcohols, phenols and ethers. IUPAC nomenclature. Students, IUPAC nomenclature एग्जाम में आपको डायरेक्टली नहीं पूछेगा, बट IUPAC nomenclature अगर आपको नहीं आएगा तो कंपाउंड का आपको स्ट्रक्चर बनाना नहीं आएगा. Yes, और अगर स्ट्रक्चर ही नहीं आया आपको, then how will you able to write the reactions of the in the paper? How will you able to write the reactions? You will not able to write because आपको IUPAC name नहीं आता. तो IUPAC name का डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, बट उसका एप्लीकेशन जो है वो ऑर्गेनिक में आपको हर जगह दिखेगा. ओके, आपको स्ट्रक्चर बनाना नहीं आएगा तो आप लिखोगे कैसे, आगे रिएक्शन करोगे कैसे. ओके, फाइन. नेक्स्ट, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल्स. अगेन, मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल, डायहाइड्रिक, ट्राइहाइड्रिक, पॉलीहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल. एग्जांपल ऑफ पॉलीहाइड्रिक इज सॉर्बिटॉल. नेक्स्ट, बेंजाइलिक अल्काइल, बेंजाइलिक अल्कोहल, एलाइलिक अल्कोहल, and vinylic alcohol. Preparation of alcohols from alkyl halide, from alkyl halide. How to prepare alcohol from alkyl halide? That is RX plus NaOH aqueous form, or RX plus KOH, or RX plus AgOH silver hydroxide. Next, from aldehyde, there are two reactions in this, that is lithium aluminum hydride and H2 anion. This H2 in nickel acting as a catalyst here, and this is more reactive. It reduces both double bond as well as aldehyde group into alcohol. Whereas lithium aluminum hydride, it reduces only aldehyde and not double bond. So this is less reactive, this is more reactive. Next, by using Grignard reagent, how will you prepare alcohol by using Grignard reagent? Very important reaction is this. ये usually entrance exam में भी आता है, NEET exam में. तो prepare कैसे करना है? 1 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol कैसे prepare करना है? By using formaldehyde. 2 degree alcohol कैसे prepare करना है? By using acetaldehyde. 3 degree alcohol कैसे prepare करना है? By using acetone. So these three are fixed to prepare 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohols respectively. Okay, so example, अगर क्वेश्चन आता है एग्जाम में, how will you prepare 2-propanol by using Grignard reagent? How will you prepare 2-propanol by using Grignard reagent? So 2-propanol is a secondary alcohol. So which compound you have to use among these three? You have to use acetaldehyde, because it is used to prepare 2-propanol, 2-degree alcohol. Then example, benzyl alcohol. How will you prepare benzyl alcohol? So benzyl alcohol is basically a primary alcohol. Benzyl alcohol is basically a primary alcohol. What is the structure of benzyl alcohol, students? This is benzyl alcohol. This is benzene ring. This is CH2 group, benzyl and OH. This group is called benzyl and OH alcohol. यहाँ पर स्टार मार्क कर दो. OH एक ही जो OH जिस कार्बन से अटैच्ड है वो एक ही कार्बन से अटैच्ड है. तो ये कौन सा अल्कोहल हो गया मेरा 1 डिग्री अल्कोहल. एंड 1 डिग्री अल्कोहल के लिए हम लोग कौन सा रिएजेंट यूज करेंगे? फॉर्माल्डिहाइड. और ग्रिग्नार्ड में हम लोग यूज करेंगे फिनाइल मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड. ओके, नेक्स्ट, phenol preparation, very important. First, from chlorobenzene, that is Taus process, by using NaOH at a very high temperature, that is 622 and 623 Kelvin. It's a two-step reaction. यहाँ पर हम लोग first chlorobenzene के अंदर NaOH ऐड करते हैं, तो हमें क्या मिलता है? ONA, सोडियम बेंजीन और ONA, सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड. फिर इसमें हम लोग ऐड करते हैं HCl, तो हमें मिलता है NaCl और फिनॉल. तो बेसिकली स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर क्लोरोबेंजीन हम लोग डायरेक्टली NaOH अगर ऐड करें तो NaCl डायरेक्टली निकाल सकते हैं. क्यों? उसके पीछे आपको रीजन पता होगा. बिकॉज क्लोरीन जो है वो डायरेक्टली डबल बॉन्ड से अटैच्ड है, बेंजीन से अटैच्ड है. यस, एरोमेटिक रिंग से अटैच्ड है, तो वो बॉन्ड बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाता है. तो उस केस में हम लोग सॉल्ट निकालना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. तो बेसिकली उसको बहुत हाई टेम्परेचर पे हीट किया जाता है, और जब हाई टेम्परेचर पे हीट करने के बावजूद भी वहां पर हमें NaCl नहीं निकलता है, HCl निकलता है as a byproduct. Okay. Next, from cumene, that is isopropyl benzene. It's an industrial method, commercial method to prepare phenol. इसका byproduct होता है acetone, which is valuable in industry. Second, from benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene sulfonic acid. Next, from aniline, that is benzene ring and NH2 group. Here, benzene sulfonic acid, benzene SO3H group. From cumene का स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? This is the structure of cumene, or it is also called isopropyl benzene. Next, another aspect of this chapter is preparation of aspirin. Is nothing but a painkiller. Aspirin. Next, action of bromine water on phenol. What is the action of bromine water on phenol? It forms 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Next is Kolbe reaction and Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Kolbe reaction is basically to prepare acid group, and Riemann-Tiemann is for aldehyde group. Next, action of chromium oxide on phenol. We get parabenzoquinone on phenol. Action of hydrogen on phenol. We get hydrogen on reaction with phenol. जब भी डबल बॉन्ड के साथ हाइड्रोजन रिएक्ट होता है तो डबल बॉन्ड का क्या हो जाता है? सिंगल बॉन्ड. ओके, तो यहाँ पर फिनॉल के ऊपर रिएक्शन होगा तो डबल बॉन्ड का सिंगल बॉन्ड हो जाएगा, एंड वी गेट cyclohexanol. Like this we get this compound cyclohexanol. Okay. Same action of zinc dust on phenol. Byproduct forms ZNO, zinc oxide and benzene. Next is ether, ROR. Preparation by using Williamson synthesis, that is sodium alkoxide. What is the formula of sodium alkoxide? RONA. Sodium and RO group को बोलते हैं alco oxide group. Next, from action of hot and cold HI on ether. Action of hot HI on symmetrical ether and unsymmetrical ether. Action of cold HI on symmetrical ether and unsymmetrical ether. Very important reaction. Next, action of O2 and H2SO4 on ether. Action of O2, oxygen, it forms peroxide, and action of H2SO4, it forms oxonium salt. That's it. So these are some important aspects which you should cover while preparing these chapters, these two chapters which are very important from organic chemistry point of view, and which is very important from both point of view also. So thank you very much, and I will prepare the next topic soon. Okay, so please prepare, and if you like the channel then subscribe. Thank you very much.